Nesco is a brand that specializes in producing high-quality, durable hose clamps for a variety of applications. Their non-slip hose pipe clamps are designed to provide a secure and reliable connection between hoses and fittings, preventing leaks and ensuring optimal performance. These clamps are made from high-quality materials, including stainless steel and nylon, and are designed to withstand the rigors of heavy use. They feature a unique non-slip design that ensures a tight grip on hoses, even in wet or oily conditions, and are easy to install and remove. One of the key features of Nesco non-slip hose pipe clamps is their versatility. They can be used in a wide range of applications, including automotive, industrial, and agricultural settings. Whether you need to secure a radiator hose, a fuel line, or a hydraulic hose, Nesco clamps are up to the task. In summary, Nesco non-slip hose pipe clamps are a high-quality, versatile solution for securing hoses in a wide range of applications. Their durable construction and unique non-slip design make them a reliable choice for anyone who needs to ensure a secure and leak-free connection between hoses and fittings.